Hey folks, today we're diving deep into a topic many find nerve-wracking: navigating your next pay raise. How do you pave the way, spotlight your wins, and ensure your bosses can't say no during evaluation time? Let's break it down. You see, securing that raise isn't an overnight gig. It's a dance that begins months before. Preparation is your ally. Your journey begins with a strong bond with your boss. After all, strangers seldom do favors, right? Every day is your stage. Champion projects that resonate with the company's vision and your strengths. Become the person they can't afford to lose. It's shocking how many let their achievements fade into oblivion. Come appraisal time, you want a trove of successes to present. Having a win isn't enough. In the corridors, over coffee, during meetings, ensure your contributions are known, always with a touch of humility. Remember, you're playing the long game. Whisper the thought of a raise way before evaluations. It primes the stage and grants your superiors the grace of foresight. And there we have our blueprint. Nurture relationships, bask in your successes, and always stay 2 steps ahead. Position yourself such that when D-Day arrives, that pay raise is but a formality. Beyond these strategies, it's also essential to consistently upskill. Markets evolve, technologies shift, and to stay relevant, you must evolve with them. Engage in workshops, online courses, or even mentorship programs. The more you bring to the table, the more leverage you'll have. Feedback is another golden tool. Seek it regularly. Understanding where you shine and where there's room for growth will only bolster your position during negotiations. Your commitment to growth not only benefits you, but the company as a whole. Also, always ensure your goals align with those of the company. When you're working in tandem with the organization's objectives, it becomes an easier sell for them to invest more in you. Lastly, embrace a positive attitude and a solutions-driven mindset. Challenges are a given in any role, but your approach to these challenges can make you stand out when you're not just identifying problems, but actively finding ways to solve them. You become indispensable. Found value in our chat today? Show some love with a thumbs up, share the wisdom, and spill your raise success stories in the comments. Remember, the journey to that desired raise is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, be proactive, and results will follow. Until our next chat, keep climbing and shine on.